Hey guys, how you doing? I'm Kasia Rain. I'm at the beautiful Hard Rock Hotel Ibiza, and I'm going to show you some exercises to maintain your sexy body. Summer just started, so you still got some time. First workout, leg and butt. So you know that's most popular. 5 exercises, each do 30 seconds, little possible break, and everything you prepare 3 to 6 times. Depends how much time you got, but go for the most serious. So let's start with the first exercise, the 3-phase squat. So you're going to stand in the squat position, feet your hip distance apart, toes are facing forward, weight is in your hands, straight back, belly tight. You're going to sit down as much as back as possible. You're going to bounce for 3 times. You're going to go 1, 2, 3. As you come up, you squeeze your buttocks to the front and keep your belly tight, yeah? So we're going to go for 30 seconds. So go 1, 2, 3 and squeeze. Make sure you sit to the back and smile and squeeze. 1, 2, 3 and squeeze. Lower. 1, 2, 3. Squeeze even more. We go for a few more. Let's go. Stay with me. Yes. And squeeze. That's it. 1, 2, 3 and squeeze your buttock. Then sit lower. Yes. Feel the legs burning. Body's burning. That's good. And go. 2 more. 1, 2, 3 and squeeze. 1, 2, 3 and squeeze. Shake it out. We go straight to the next exercise. We're going to do the lunge with the back kicks like a variation. So you're going to start in the lunge. Make sure your knees be in front of your toes, straight back, belly tight, hands in front of you. You're going to lunge, and as you come up, you're going to kick back. So you're going to move forward and kick. Down, and your arms going to go to the side and kick. Yes, 30 seconds. So position, find your balance, straight back, belly tight, and go. Down and push. Down, squeeze, and up. Good. And push. And push. Feel it from the front leg, from the back, from the buttocks. That's it. Push. 3 more. Push. And push. That's when you're going to hold a little bit of hold and shake it off. Other side, same thing. Left leg forward, straight back, belly tight. Bend your arms, find your balance and go. 1, push. 1 and push. Down and squeeze. Stay with me. You're almost there. And push. Down. Push. 3 more. Push. Down. Push. And last one, hold. And let go. Shake it off. Shake it off. Next one, we're going to do the crossover lunge with the side kick. Again, a little bit of a balance. So you're going to start in a crossover lunge. Straight back, belly tight. Leg is a little bit crossing over. Hands in front of you, cross them. And as you come up, you're going to kick your leg to the side. So you're going to go up and down. Yes, again, 15 seconds each leg. So let's start it with the right leg and go. Cross your arms and go. Kick and down. Kick and down. Push. Down. Push. 3 more. Down. And push. Down. Push. 2. One last one. You're going to hold it. And let go. Shake it out. Let's go to the other leg. So left leg goes back. Straight back, belly tight. Cross your arms. And as you know, we're going to come up and kick. Yes, 50 seconds. You ready? Stay with me. Let's go together. And kick. Down. And kick. Down. Push. Down. Push. Down. Yes. And 2 more. And one last one. Let's go. We're going to go down and hold. Good. Shake it out. Shake. Next exercise, we're going to work on the butt. So we're going to go onto the mat. And we're going to do the hip bridge, but we're going to do the feet switch. So I'm going to show you. Get a little bit extra from your back. So you're going to lay on your back. Your feet hip distance apart. Open your toes just a little bit. Back on the mat, head on the mat. And you're going to move your hips up. You're going to go onto your toes. And you're going to push up. And as you come down, you're going to switch to your heels and push up. And now we're going to go like this for 30 seconds. So toes, heels, toes, and heels, and squeeze, and heels, and toes, and heels. Good, you're doing great. Feel the butt burning. Push and up. Good. Heels and toes. Stay with me. 10 more seconds. Push and up, and toes, and heels, and smile. Yes, that's it. Push and up, and last one, you're gonna hold onto your heels. And straight onto your toes, hold it, push up, and relax. Shake it down, 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 down. Good. Last exercise. So we're gonna do the donkey kick. We're gonna on the hands and knees, belly is tight, don't hang in your lower back, just squeeze it good, in, belly in. You're gonna bend your leg, your feet is flexed, like you hold it against the ceiling, and you're gonna go little kicks to the back, yes? 15 seconds each leg. So belly tight and go. Kick, kick, kick. See? Only your butt is working here. Push, push. Good. Push. 15 seconds each leg. Good. You can always look in front of you, not to hurt your neck. Good. And push, push. Keep that foot flex. Get the extra tension in your butt. Good. Push, push, push. Yes. Feel it burning. That's it. That's how we have to go. Push, push, push. That's it. Stay with me. You're doing great. You're doing great. Stay with me. Smile. Good. Push, push, push. Nice. And harder. And for the last few seconds, you're going to stretch your leg. You're going to go up and down. Leg is engaged. Good. Hold it. And switch. Shake it a little bit. Shake it really tight. Other leg. Flex your foot. Butt is tight. And go. Push. Push. Remember to hold your belly in. Good. Push. 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 Keep it tight. That's it. Push. Push. It's only 15 seconds. You can do it. Yes. Tight booty. Let's go. Push. Push. And push. Good. And smile with me. Yes. Let's go. Almost there. You can do it. Let's go. Push. 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 Yes. 5 more seconds. And now stretch your leg. Hold it engaged. Go up and down. For just a little. Hold it. And relax. Stretch up. Shake your buttocks. And now relax for like 30 seconds and repeat the whole series for like 3 to 6 times. Go for 6, I would say. Yeah? Have fun, cool down after the workout, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye bye.